What happens to your body when you eat 1 to 2 bananas every day? Hi there! Welcome to Bloom. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world. Bananas are not only a delicious fruit, but they are packed full of vitamins and nutrients. Bananas are a healthy source of fiber, potassium, manganese, and vitamins C and B6. This convenient, healthy on-the-go snack is beneficial in digestion, weight loss, heart health, and more. In today's video, we will go over what happens to your body when you eat 1 to 2 bananas every day. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this and much more. Number 1. Energy Boost. Bananas are one of the best foods for boosting energy. They are a great source of complex carbohydrates, potassium, and vitamin B6, which all help in providing energy. Bananas contain the natural sugars sucrose, fructose, and glucose, which are great for providing energy without added fat and cholesterol. If you're looking for a healthy energy boost that will maintain your energy level for longer periods of time, grab a couple of bananas and avoid eating cookies, cakes, or caffeinated sodas. Number 2. Heart Healthy. Bananas are rich in potassium. Potassium is necessary for your body to work. It is necessary for nerve function and for the contraction of muscles. It helps to assist the body's circulatory system in delivering oxygen to the brain, lowering blood pressure, and maintaining a regular heartbeat. Foods like bananas that are high in potassium can help you maintain a healthy blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. They can also stop fatal blockages from occurring and inhibit the hardening and narrowing of arteries. Number 3. Laxative. Bananas are high in soluble fiber and can be very helpful in relieving constipation. Bananas are a good source of prebiotics. Prebiotics aid digestion by supporting the bacteria growth that helps digest food. Eating bananas with yogurt is a good way to support intestinal health, digestion, and regular bowel movements. Number 4. Support weight loss. Eating fiber-rich foods like bananas are great in supporting weight loss. Bananas are rich in fiber, which can make you feel full longer. This supports weight loss by helping you reduce the total number of calories you take in every day. They are a great addition to any weight loss plan. They help to control appetite, reduce bloating, and because they contain natural sugars, they can help to replace processed sugars. Enjoying this video? Comment down below and give us a like to support the channel. Number 5. Prevent morning sickness. Eating a banana in the morning can help prevent morning sickness. Bananas help to maintain steady blood sugar levels, and they are full of B vitamins, which are found in many anti-nausea medications used by pregnant women. If you are dealing with morning sickness, try adding 1 or 2 bananas to your diet to help provide relief. Number 6. Relieving indigestion. Bananas can help with acid reflux or heartburn by relieving symptoms of indigestion. They coat the esophageal lining, which helps fight against discomfort. The high fiber content of bananas also helps strengthen your digestive tract, which can be beneficial in preventing indigestion. Number 7. Good source of vitamin B6. One medium banana has 1/5 of the daily requirement of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 metabolizes fats and carbohydrates into energy. Vitamin B6 also metabolizes proteins into amino acids. These amino acids repair body tissue, break down food, and implements other body functions. The amino acids can also be used as a source of energy. With all these benefits, no wonder bananas are one of the most consumed fruits in the world. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.